Oh my god, just with just one tag in the team. Hehe.
And Steady, by the way, I don't know if you heard me before, but you know the food, you can put it as favorite, so you don't have to search it.
Yeah, it's fine. I know where my. I was just looking and just using this.
Alright.
So our tap now is yellow.
Yeah, yellow. We go yellow.
Yep.
Full send.
Alright, lock in, boys. Thanks especially, bro. Be better on this trap. I don't know what else to say. Stop standing in bombs. Stop standing in bombs. When you pop your ult, get the fuck out. You cannot do anything more, bro, after your ult.
Jungle
Get out, find
bot
Nameless and
active.
disrupt them.
Good
luck, have fun.
To the right. To the right. You got it?
Jump to mid.
Tower.
Get ready with strats. In 3, 2, 1. Pop the strats, pop the strats, pop the strats.
Behind you guys.
No, don't.
Nah.
Bro.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now we can just fight them, dude. This Katsiko guy is incredibly low. Unless Yuri dies here, he does.
Focus tanks on bulwarks, by the way. They are playing divine.
Okay.
Gonna drop healing ulti.
There.
Keep
I'm
close
just gonna
stepping
horse
them, Glutes.
stop.
It's the only thing that works.
Yeah, no.
Careful with the pull.
Bulwark can be damaged again. We need to go back to the bulwark.
Wait,
I am just dropping this down.
the
Our healer is down. Come back a bit, go roof if you can.
nah.
Can you be rest or no?
I'm looking.
I will try.
My
I'm healing
team
you,
is
Zara.
scuffed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get her up and then get up quick roof if you can.
I'm ulting the choke, I'm ulting the choke.
Nah.
Just get out, just get out.
Get,
Yeah, get up.
Hero
So
is currently
laggy.
on the tower in the back.
I'm dropping killing ult on tower.
Okay.
Get ready with strats, guys, in 10 seconds. Get ready with strats. Everybody stabilize.
Okay, I'm back now.
And we're gonna
Yeah, careful,
pop
careful,
strats
careful, you're
in
alone down
3, 2,
Okay, going down to
One.
ult. Straddle.
pop the strats, pop the strats, pop the strats. Come on. On the tower, on the tower.
We have one extra group for offense on our bulwark.
I'm popping my chest shot there.
What? What?
They're going
I-
back
I
now.
did-
Yeah, we have fucking
Healing
group
ult is
for
down.
mid on our bulwark.
Nice.
They're coming from behind, guys.
Can you guys say something? G2,
Okay.
can
They
you
are
guys say
going back
something
now,
if
but
they're fucking
we
rotating?
need to call that shit out.
I didn't get no fucking info, bro.
I didn't
Sorry.
realize
Okay,
they
that's
fucking
fine.
rotated.
And
Pulling here, pulling here. Did I get that?
Extend on
Horsing?
tower.
Careful, Sally, careful.
yeah,
dying?
no, I'm stunned. I'm stunned. I
Yeah,
can't.
you really can't go for anything other than healing against juiced.
Ulti kill. Rest.
Yeah, I need to go roof.
I'm on sync.
I am roof for a sec. I'm coming back down now. I'm hitting the tower. I need to horse as well here in a sec. Okay, I am going to ult the tower
Yeah.
here. Careful, you guys are very far back, Stelly and
Yeah, I
Okay, sure.
know.
Popping my chest shot again.
We have mid group again on us. Like, I have no idea, bro. Like,
Healing ult
Other-
is down.
we're
Other,
still
my
fighting them
guy.
here. We are legit still fighting them
we're
here.
playing
There's 5 people here.
against the groups mid again.
There's
Who's
still
the-
people on mid. There's still people on mid, apparently.
Yeah, I know, yeah, but like we have two or three nameless that came to us.
I might die. I'm actually gonna horse and stuff.
Belling them.
Get ready with strats. Everybody get ready with strats.
Yeah, if you have strat,
Drop
get
Nameless tools first and get ready with 3, 2, 1. Strats on
Pushing
tower.
ultimate of healing.
Oh my
yeah,
god,
strat on tower.
bro.
I'm gonna go roof and heal myself.
Khalid, you have to watch
Jungle
it.
in 60 seconds.
One more sync.
Coming down. See if you can sit on these two next to the tower. Yeah. There's jungle in a sec.
Yeah. Careful with the pool.
Yeah, they're trying to get me now.
Jungle in
Use the-
40
Yeah, I'm
seconds.
horsing here so you don't get any damage.
It's fine.
We wiped them. We wiped them a lot.
30 seconds for jungle.
Giving you my ult.
Healing for Yoit.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Yeah, I
Pulling
jumped
the
up on
guy.
back
Run,
down.
run.
Get ready for jungle. Get ready for jungle.
Yeah.
We are yellow.
I'm on the deep camp.
Boss pumped. Clean send the boss.
We do jungle first.
Okay.
Get ready to execute this thing. Did they get it? I think they got it. How's the other
No,
camp
still
looking?
up,
Stay-
still up,
stay
still
here.
up.
I'm gonna disrupt with horse. See if you can get it.
We got it.
Good shit.
Yeah.
Nah. I
No,
lose it.
did we?
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
Okay.
Back to me.
I'm gonna drop healing
Jumping
ulti.
roof if I can. Oh, did you drop healing ult? Okay.
Yeah. I can't get out. I can't get out. Calm down.
Another healing ult, guys.
No.
Our
Keep
team is
popping
here
strats
now.
whenever you have.
Feeling
Just
here?
drop strats whenever you have them.
Yeah, I am just.
More people coming, more people coming. Another party.
Yeah, there are a lot of people here. There's a lot of people in mid.
Boss is 20%.
Yeah, I might die here in the back. By the way, no mind, no mind. I'm good. So, we're
I
under
get the
the
bulwark.
boot on
Get the
CD.
bulwark. Yeah.
Yeah. Now we just go boost.
Hold them body. Healing you a bit. Ready to get out. Healing.
G2
I
goose,
come.
G3 tower. G1 goose.
I can't get out.
Can I mount,
Oh shit,
bro?
there is
Can
a lot
this
of
game
people.
work for once?
Umbrella's done and everything.
In that case, I just have to get out. You guys come goose when you can.
Yeah, I was resting steady.
Thank you.
Crazy, I still cannot mount.
Okay, I have their whole team on me now. I might die actually, just running. No, I'm dead for sure.
I'm coming in.
I got you, other.
I'm trying to change, but the game is bugged. This I'm in combat. Okay, we'll go in. I will change later.
Okay,
Yeah,
just play. I'm ulting on you, Khalid.
we usually
Thanks,
go
keep
goose
bombing for space.
insta.
Keep bombing for fucking space.
Holding right.
Ulting the goose.
Res me. Nameless tools, guys. Come on, fucking rotate them in between
Healing
your
ulti
parties
down.
at least. Hold them out.
Nice.
I'm popping my chest shields.
I'm raising you, Bobex. Play alive, play alive, play alive, guys. Come on.
Yeah, I need to run out.
Care on the right side.
I see you, Sally. Coming to you.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah.
We might have to just get out. Yeah. Probably just
Jumping
Yeah.
you here.
I'm motion again.
Yeah, I'm on the roof, just healing myself.
In for the space.
Don't break on left.
Need res.
I have aggro.
Play alive, guys. We need to fucking stabilize. Come on. I'm raising someone. Never mind.
Horsing. I am horsing top right. I'll come to the mid gate in a sec. I see you, Sally. I'm coming to you, okay?
Yeah. Nah, I'm dead.
Okay. Going roof. Nope, you're not.
Still killing you.
Thank you.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Focus damage on the goose, guys. Come on.
Still laggy?
Keep declumping, keep declumping. Tanks keep fucking disrupting. Keep fucking using ults for disrupt here.
Protection.
We will need to go jungle as well.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
I'm going out.
Okay.
For a bit. I'm gonna go in.
Go jungle, go jungle. I'm gonna die, bro. I'm gonna die.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Going for the jungle.
Go jungle, go jungle. What is this? Like, what is this? Why are we not using the same fucking pedophile builds, man? Like, what?
They are waiting jungle with chickens.
Yeah.
I'm trying to block it.
Wow.
What?
Nice.
Good job.
Shit.
Holy.
Might be the greatest game that's ever lived. Holy shit.
It's so shy when they say
Focus on
that.
the camps. Come on, guys. We need them.
Nah, he got it.
Okay. How about the other one?
Don't know. I'm getting fucked. Not gonna lie.
Where are you?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Going back to Goose now.
Okay, going back to Goose.
After camps, go goose.
On Goose. Okay, on Goose, let's try to do
boys,
something. Stilly, position to the right. Yeah, that's our
Where'd you
position.
die?
We'll play
The
around
right?
there.
Sora.
Okay.
That is our position, right? Yeah, of course, move to us when you need to. Otherwise, we'll move to you
Yeah,
on the right. We are being a bit punished on
Give
the
up
Goose.
with,
Right now, don't go in. Don't go in right
Yes.
now, because come back, come back. It's just you two in. It's just Teacher and Neo. It's not.
inside,
You're gonna
guys, get
die.
inside.
Wait for
Drop
others.
healing
Wait for
ults.
others.
They just scared the chickens for the bomb. Be careful.
Okay, I am on the right now. Just default.
I'm in the middle.
Careful on goose. Careful on
Come
goose.
drop
Need to
healing
stop the
ulti.
goose.
On the right.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, I'm fucking 1v1 build still. My bad.
Extend on me. Extend on me. Extend on me. Ah, they're all horsed. Don't.
I got my shots.
Yeah, I'm just stuck in.
I'm in the middle. If you can revive me.
Yeah.
We just
Yes.
Thank you.
Looking for the Goose now. On the
Thanks, full
Goose.
focus on the
I'm
disrupt
popping
here.
my chest shields.
Nameless, you need to keep moving as much as possible. Healers, just fucking drop killing ults preemptively, bro, because we're getting exploded here in like 1 second, man.
Anti-build.
Anti-heal.
Okay. The anti-heal, let's get out. Get out. Get out. Get safe. If you're not safe, get
Boss
safe.
one.
We don't have to get all the way out.
Bot
Just
in
get
1
back.
minute.
I'm
Yeah,
with you guys.
most of us are
I'm
dead.
with you guys.
Yeah, most of us are dead. Keep that in
Look on
mind.
the left side.
Giving everybody Q shield.
We're all dead. We need to recover. Get out, get
Yeah,
out, get
get
out,
out.
get out fast, get out fast.
Okay.
Get on roofs, get on roofs. We're half wide, we're going roofs, Glut.
Okay, I have 5 people cloud stepping me. 6, 7, 8 at the inside guild. Unlucky. I try to get out. It's okay. Don't try to save me. Don't try to do anything. They are gonna run us all down here. By the way.
Yeah.
Careful.
Careful on the roofs, guys. If you see them
Jungle
approaching,
in
just
60
get out.
seconds.
Boss is stop. Boss is stop. Yes. G1 go boss.
Coming back towards Goose.
G2 as well if you're still there. G3
Okay.
go Goose if there's an opportunity.
Jungle in 40
You
seconds.
go boss. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, G3 you need to take care of some jungle if possible.
They're leaving for the boss.
Yeah, we're here. Pump the boss.
They're first
Giving everybody
coming
ult.
out.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Nice ult.
They're almost here. Be careful here.
They're first incoming. Through.
Careful with the bombs. Guys, D-clamp. Nameless, get the fuck away, bro. Why are you so close to the boss?
There's a chicken. Totally. There's a chicken on it.
Yeah, I need to horse though, sadly. They're chickening
Oh,
it?
they're dropping it.
We got it.
Good shit. Survive here. They're all fucking here. Drop mobile tools. Come on, mobile tools on the fucking choke towards the base. We need to get out of here.
Get out. Go for the Goose. We can still win
Jungle
this.
camps, by the way. Jungle camps.
Yeah, I see it. Jungle is still up.
Yeah, go jungle.
They're fully sending it to you, I think. I don't know. Careful. They might be sending it with you.
Yeah,
No, they're
be
sending
careful,
jungle.
we're-
They're sending jungle.
We're going jungle as well.
I will die.
Back to Goose as soon as you fucking clear the camps. If the camps are dead, just get out, guys.
Neo, can
Where
you
did you
revive
die?
me? Top jungle camp. Neo, yeah.
I'm out.
Near of you,
I'm
yes,
at the goose.
Neo.
Yeah, Neo's.
Ah,
dying.
he has teammates.
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay.
I hide in a house.
G-shields, guys. Come on, please,
What?
bro. Nameless, you need to fucking rotate. If we don't have a
Healing
bubble,
ulti down.
and you have ultimates, just fucking use it. D-clamp.
I'm taking the Goose somewhere safe. I have aggro.
I'm bombing here on the right side towards the center.
Just wait until golden screen.
I'm with you, Aga.
Yeah. That's just a healer, so not that worried.
Careful on the right side. Need disrupt on the right. Left is kind of free. But be careful because they're gonna adapt immediately, guys. Disrupt on the right.
I might die
They have
here,
a billion
actually.
people there.
Okay. Oh, nice. I'm horsing just to get out of position. Horsing on top
Gonna
of the
heal
Goose. I'm
ulti on in the
fine.
mid.
Yeah, nice.
Ults on the left. Healing ults on the left. Nameless ults on the left. I'm dropping healing ult on left here. Thanks. Disrupt here on the left. Everybody's here. I have ult in two. Get ready to fucking extend this. I'm bombing towards the center. Bomb towards the center.
Extend.
Bomb shit. Come on, guys. More.
Like, I have no idea, they wiped. I have no idea what they're...
I might die here. Yeah.
Damage on Goose. Double damage on Goose now.
Now you got bombed. Yeah.
I'm dead right.
I think in this case, what's it called? The Mopan is a lot better. It's also res the heat because there's so much pressure.
Yeah.
Careful on the left. Pull disrupt on the left there. Pull disrupt on the fucking left.
Right.
I'm dropping killing ult here. Care on the right. I'm bombing here on the right just for space. Bell this. Goose is center.
Healing ulti down.
They're bombing me.
Careful in center. They have a billion people here, guys.
Horse and
Jungle in
Numbers.
60 seconds.
Yeah, see if you can heal the Lottie.
Yeah, I'm healing.
Declamp as much as you can, guys. Declamp, declamp. I'm raising somebody.
I am probably dead here.
Play
No, not
life here,
probably.
play life
Sure.
here. Careful next to the tree. Need disrupt on next to the tree.
Oh, never mind. I'm alive. Holy shit.
Jungle in 40
In
seconds.
center.
I'm looking for the goose. Where's the goose?
Left.
Found it, found
Careful
it,
there
found
on the left, guys. They have a billion people here. Everything you fucking got on the left here. Come on, guys. Bombs here. Bombs on left. Bombs on left. Bombs on left and on goose.
it. Fuck it. I'm just popping my horse to get to the
On me,
goose.
on me.
Goose is center. Goose is center. Goose is center. Damage on goose. Damage on goose. Get ready to drive.
Jungle
Khalid.
in 20 seconds.
Got it?
Sprint before the jungle. Sprint before the jungle. Everything you got on the driver. Everything you fucking got on the driver. And then go jungle.
now.
Go jungle. Go jungle. Go jungle. Go jungle.
They have chickens for jungle.
Yeah.
G1 play life. G1 you need to stay here.
I'm just going to the camp.
Yeah.
I will try to block this guy.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm good. Okay, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm stuck, kind of. I'm fine. I'm fine.
There are 3 people on me. Okay, you take it.
Keep sending damage on the trees,
They got the
Zora.
jungle here as well. Coming back.
Damage on tree. Full damage on tree when you come back.
Until.
Be careful. We also pop into heal.
I'm in 12.
Yeah, do you see on our choke point this Brynja guy?
Bomb driver, bomb driver,
Brynja
bomb
teacher?
driver.
This guy right here
Yeah,
next
yeah,
to us?
I see.
There's not many
Yeah,
heals.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to pull more, but... Get ready to go outside,
Yeah,
guys.
he
Get
moved,
ready
he
to go
moved.
outside. We need to take control of outside. We need to take control of outside.
Need
Yes,
some
come on,
palms,
sir.
so we're never gonna go outside.
Yeah. Need palms on the driver. Palms on the driver. All the damage on the
No,
driver. Get
to
outside and
build
bomb the driver. Get outside and bomb the driver. Get outside.
It's around behind me. I can be healed now.
Oh, fuck me.
Heal
I
on
went
driver.
in
Heal
on
on
distance
driver.
around.
I'm resting you.
Nice. Healing myself as well. Okay, we're good.
I think I'm dead.
Healing up mid.
Pressing. I might be able to disrupt that bomb
I'm
a
missing
little bit.
someone. Maggie. Dropping killing ult on 3. Thanks. Full focus on disrupt. Full focus on disrupt. Look on the right side here. Look on the right side here. There, everybody's on the right side. Get ready for full damage on the
Right
right.
side,
Full
right side,
damage
right
on the
side,
right,
right,
guys.
yeah.
In 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Bomb the shit. I'm pulling them towards 6.
We're just being horsed.
Okay, abort this. Abort. Just play life. Need damage on driver. Damage on driver. All the damage on the driver.
buffing
Guys.
you.
3, 2, 1. Tanks keep disrupting.
Yeah, it's lucky I didn't get a palm. I can
Neo,
never be healed.
you have to get away from the fucking tree. Disrupt on the sides, bro.
Okay, I'm jumping roof to live. Don't worry about me, doing myself. We need to get... Alright. Left hand side. A lot of their nameless are currently on the left hand side, okay? If we can stop them from
Okay.
casting there, that would be great. I also need to find out where
Yeah, I need
all...
damage on the driver
Yeah, I
soon,
should've
guys.
gone
Damage on the driver.
Okay,
Very nice.
Bomb on driver. Everything you fucking got here.
okay. You just keep disrupting, Neo. I stopped the ult.
Raising you area, I think.
Gonna drop in an ulti.
I'm gonna horse to see if I can live, actually. Nice.
Be careful. G3 go defend. G3 go defend.
To be ulted. Behind me, Luckix. Nice palm. Not enough.
I might be dead here, actually.
I'm trying to rest now.
Never mind.
We need you on another 3.
Yeah, I called already.
Okay.
I'm trying to go on the roof if I can. I'm gonna horse,
Yeah,
actually.
go.
Yeah, gonna horse and roof. Yo.
Get on roofs if you're about to die here on the tree.
Hello, Eddie. Eddie? Yeah, Eddie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop sprinting.
So is there an eye in that fucking
We are
thing or
coming
no?
back now.
There's-
The loading
Look at
screen.
you.
Oh
is
shit,
fucking
don't let
up,
shit die.
like,
Don't let shit die.
I just...
And I can't
Jungle
press it,
in
but I'm
60
loading,
seconds.
and I will be in loading screen for the next 3 minutes, so yeah.
You see this Kiki TV guy? Kiki TV executing
Yeah,
him here?
yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah, oh, Ghost is his
Get back
healer.
on tree, guys. Get back on tree if you're here.
Can I buff you?
Yeah.
Okay, finally loaded, coming back.
Oh, this leap him guy, leap him, leap him.
Jungle in
Healer,
40
healer.
seconds.
Come on.
Damn, he lived. Okay. We need to shop on the
Guardian
right hand side.
fucking driver to break tenacity. Like, what the fuck? I'm getting DB'd.
Okay.
It's revived again. It's over.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Be careful for 6.
Yeah, I send my straddle 6. I send my straddle on 6.
I'm here fully wiped.
I sent you G3 already.
One more bit.
Bangla's coming by
G2
the
go
way.
as well. G2 go as well. G1 play life here.
Okay, here we go.
Where are we
Go
going?
back. Defense. The defensive tree. It's right here.
I'm aiming at 5th here.
Giving everybody shield. Pump this
Give me
driver.
Nameless, bro.
Dying. Dead.
Build it.
Okay, that's...
Give me fucking Nameless on the tree, bro, please.
Killing
Awesome.
ulti down?
No, I can't be
No,
it.
I died though. Oh, nice res.
Someone needs to cloud step these guys or
I
freaking
am,
palm
I am,
them,
but I'm-
like- Yeah, no, I mean like other people as well, yeah. I know! Like, yeah.
I'm safe, I'm safe.
Careful between the trees there. Nameless, play on the sides as much as you can. Tanks, keep fucking disrupting.
Hold that.
What? You see this sainted guy on the left hand side? He can actually die here. Yeah, people are dying.
Oh my god, the fucking palms, man.
Yeah, the palms?
The fucking palms is
Yeah, insane.
crazy.
Uh-huh. So good actually.
Don't stand between the trees, bro. That's where all the fucking damage is gonna be, guys. Come on, play from the fucking distance and bomb on the driver. Damage on the enemy driver. All the fucking damage, send it on the drivers.
You see behind our driver?
I'm gonna die.
Bomb as well, all the fucking extents here.
Okay,
Everything
I'm
fucking
fine.
bomb on the trees, guys.
I just sent a massive fucking straddle up there.
I don't know what happened.
No, there's a million people here.
No, I just double died, bro. Need to drop killing ults, bro, in situations like
I'm
this.
trying to
if we're
connect
gonna
with
be rising.
our Nameless, but I just don't see them anywhere. Where are we?
You cannot play.
Okay.
Twelve is almost free, guys. There's like 3 people there on 12. Get one tank there and all the nameless should play from there.
I got stuck into the middle.
Ah, we fully wiped. I mean, the offense, defense wiped.
That's okay.
I'm dead. Somebody else needs to call for a bit. I'm coming back in 10 seconds, 15.
Entry. Yeah,
I'm just trying to send fucking ults on their Nameless.
If anyone has palms, I can maybe slip through here. We have enough coins.
We need to kill the driver, guys. Get in front, get in front. Kill the driver here.
Sprinting.
They're sprinting.
Forcing just to see if I can like, disrupt the people around.
Yeah, it's
No,
GG.
they sprinted home. No, I'm gonna come home. Oh well.
I need to restart my PC. Or game at least.
Why What's happening with my recording? Why does it stop recording?
It just stopped for you as well.
Yes.
I was just checking because my recording stopped, like, super early. The fuck?
Yeah, same. Mine stopped after 2 minutes.
Yeah.